Hi, this is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. We are at Manatee Hammock Campground on the Space Coast of Florida.
Yeah!
Today we will be making peanut butter and jelly bread pudding.
Yeah!
That sounds scrumptious. So, once again, minimal ingredients, super easy, super delectable. Kids would love peanut butter and jelly.
Delectable?
Delectable.
We'll have to look that word up.
Delectable is a word.
All right.
Yeah, T-A-B-L-E, delectable. So join us as we make peanut butter and jelly bread pudding. Do us a huge favor. Please smoochy that like button, click that notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I'm ready. I know Stu is ready. It's one of his favorite recipes. Let's get cooking. Drone footage.
Drone.
So I used challah bread, which has been out for about a day and a half to get hard, to absorb all the liquid goodness. You can use brioche too, but I happen to like challah bread. Melted butter. You like my technique? Not really whisking, it's a turning whisk method.
Because you don't want to use a bowl?
Yeah, I was a little lazy. That's okay, it's camping. So I am eyeballing it right now, and I will definitely put the recipe in the description below.
White sugar?
White sugar, correct. That's the fun part.
So you're mixing solo with your Hans. Dad jokes.
Yeah, let's not do that. I will let it marinate for about 10-15 minutes.